Hi, everybody. I thought I'd give you a little fervorino for the day. I'm going to start with something I saw on Facebook recently. It says, "After years of wanting to thoroughly clean my house but lacking the time, this week I discovered that wasn't the reason." Well, you and I have found ourselves quarantined in our homes for a while now, and that's for our safety, and it's a good thing that we're doing that. But it has brought up in my mind this same kind of picture image in my head of all the things that I wish I had time to do. One of them is gardening. The rectory has a kind of an enclosed backyard, and I've been wanting to do stuff there, but I've always been too busy. I have too many things going on, and I never had the time to do it. So this week I did. I spent 3 hours out in the garden, and it was a very prayerful time, strangely enough. So I want to encourage you to do something similar. When I was doing the gardening, I was pulling weeds, I was trimming things, I was cleaning things, I was pulling fruit off the orange trees. Everything had some kind of a spiritual meaning to it, like the fruit of somebody else's work I was enjoying from fruit trees that had been planted decades before. Cleaning up ground cover, pulling weeds, I was thinking about the things in myself that need to be cleaned up and tidied and put back in better shape. I was in a lot of pain the next day because I was using muscles I hadn't been using for a while. And so I found myself thinking how spiritually important it was for me to take the time to do things that gave me the satisfaction of feeling like I had accomplished something, but also it gave God a chance to work through just these material things about stuff I needed to think about in my own life. So I encourage you to do the same. The spring season just started just a few days ago. So literally this is spring cleaning time. This might be the time to clean out the garage, go through your books, go through your clothes, clean out a pantry, open a drawer and clean it out. Just find the stuff that you don't need anymore. Do that pruning, do that purging. Put stuff together so that later when you can leave your home, you can take clothes or things to somebody else's, to St. Vincent de Paul or to Precious Life Shelter. Prepare yourself with stuff that you need to kind of tidy up in your own life. I think for the sake of our spiritual lives, it's good to be able to do those physical manual labor things, because not only does it satisfy the need to do stuff when you might be feeling kind of antsy and locked indoors, but it gives God a chance to also tell you things He's working on with you. By physically doing stuff, God can speak to you. It's a great way to experience a parable in your own life. So I hope that you'll take this message to heart, and as long as you're going to be in home together, you might as well do these kinds of things, and don't just see it as chores or dumb things you got to do, but you have the time to do the physical and spiritual work that God wants you to do. God bless you.